All right, I'm back, and I want to do another video here with these bands here on the backside of this low pressure system offshore here on January 3rd, 2022, where we're getting our first snowflakes of the winter season. And I wanted to show the general radar image. This is the latest image, Doppler radar image from the Wakefield office in Virginia. The darker green coloring indicates heavier bands of snow. And right now we're getting a secondary heavy band that is pushing through Virginia Beach. We had one band come through, and now we're having a secondary band come through. And then just east of 95, just basically to the east of Richmond, that's our area of where the snow line is going to end. You see it right there? And so we got heavier band number 2 with the radar passing through Virginia Beach now, here on January 3rd, and this is the scene. And we had a temporary lapse of the snow. It really let up a little bit, but now we're getting another burst of heavier snow in the deformation zone on the back side of the low pressure system. So this is one of those heavier bursts of snow that's falling from the sky here in Virginia Beach. The flakes have once again increased in size somewhat, so there's still a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Current temperature is sitting at about 35 degrees here on, just about 3:30 p.m. on Monday afternoon, January the 3rd, 2022. And I mean, look at this is a pretty good band of snow that's coming down right now. I mean, this is reducing the visibility. I can see on the horizon there that dull gray stratiform cloud deck and the reduction in visibility. And that's a sign of a heavier burst of snow when that visibility gets reduced, where the stratus cloud deck becomes almost uniform gray, where you really don't see much fragmentation to the cloud deck. But you can see what's going on here. The real ground truth, the radar image here, showing the heavier band passing through Virginia Beach. It's a little blurry right now. There we go. My video camera here adjusted. And then look what you're getting here real time. So based on this latest radar trend, where that back line of precip is, I would expect maybe another hour of snow. And wow, this really picked up. I mean, this is a heavy burst. I think this is the heaviest I've seen it this afternoon. And look at some of the vehicles here. They're starting to accumulate some of the snow on them. So we're getting some of the snow sticking on the grass as well. We're getting some of those occasional bursts of wind, those gusty winds from the north. As you know, this is very convective-like, where you have very cold air aloft, and it's translating down to the surface, along with that gusty wind from higher up in the atmosphere, and it's resulting in this really good band of snow. I wanted to get this video because this is really interesting. I would say visibility on the horizon out there is probably reduced to maybe about a mile. And this is what you get. So, real interesting stuff. You can see it coming down pretty good right now here in Virginia Beach. Here on January 3rd, 2022, there's a look again at the grass. You can see it. It's really, if you had this kind of snow rate coming down for about an hour to 2 hours, you get a quick inch of snow on the ground. The way it's really coming down right now. So that's all I've got for right now. I just want to share another video here. This one's really interesting, how convectively unstable the atmosphere can be even during wintertime. When you get a really intense storm system off the coast, you can get these pretty good snow rates. Some of our bigger snowstorms in Virginia Beach, this is typically what you get. All right, that wraps it up. Enjoying the snow on this early January afternoon. Woo! Enjoying it well.